Coral reefs, one of the most unique and important ecosystems on the planet. Coral reefs only occupy 0.1% of the total area of the ocean, but they support 25% of all marine species on Earth. They help us breathe, protect us from storms, provide us with food, and support the economy of coastal communities. But coral reefs are dying at an alarming rate. This is primarily due to human-induced climate change, consequent ocean warming, and other human-related factors, such as overfishing and pollution. Estimations suggest that 90% of coral reefs will have vanished by 2050. What can be done to support coral reefs? Coral restoration, a process to support corals and help them regain their health and strength prior to human interference. During the process, new corals are grown to withstand warmer temperatures and are more resilient against influence factors. Sadly, coral restoration organizations and governmental agencies are struggling with funding, working mostly on a small scale, and the current process is very time and labor intensive. So how can the journey towards a more sustainable, efficient, and simple coral restoration process be designed? After hosting numerous interviews with citizens around the world, looking in depth into the restoration process, hosting workshops, co-creating with experts, we came to our solution. Let me introduce Concept NEMO, a 4-stage system which helps coral restoration in every step of the process. It consists out of a digital platform, a specialized transport box and growing structures for corals, and a collaborative drone for outplanting and monitoring. Let's dive into how the system is built up. Corals are pre-grown on structures which are made out of locally recycled concrete. This allows easy adoption during harvesting, and for coral farms to grow corals either on land or in the ocean. After harvesting, the young corals can be put into the provided specialized transport box, the first part of Concept NEMO. These boxes either live on the boat or in vans and will regulate the temperature of the salt water and the pH value to give the young corals the best chance for survival during transportation. Once they arrive at the outplant site, the second part of the concept comes into play. NEMO is a collaborative drone which supports you during outplanting and monitoring afterwards. The corals fixed in crates can be mounted onto the collaborative drone. Once NEMO is fully loaded with 100 corals, 2 divers can go down to the dying reef. One person drills holes with a pneumatic drill, while the other person glues the structures with bioadhesive for quick, easy, and efficient deployment on the ocean floor. The drone will digitally tag all the corals while outplanting. With this way, one team can plant up to 100 corals in one go. After outplanting, NEMO can dive back down and autonomously monitor the coral reef. Allowing for global connection and collaboration is a digital platform which compiles all the reef data into one system. This makes it available for future coral reef restoration across governmental agencies, research groups, and civil communities. This reef data can be integrated into the Blue Coral Space Index to make it accessible to both scientists and citizens. NEMO, helping to breathe the life into reefs, one coral at a time.